How to move email from spam to inbox in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to move an email from spam folder back to your inbox in Gmail. It's super simple and takes just a few seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Gmail app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the Gmail app, simply tap on the menu icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as spam. Now here in this section, you see all the spam messages. So simply find the email that you want to move. And once you have located it, simply long press on that email, and after that on the top menu simply tap on the three dots icon. And once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option labeled as Move To. And after that, simply select Primary. And after that, Gmail will automatically move it to your inbox. And that's it. Now you have successfully moved an email from spam to your inbox in Gmail. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.